The GoHawk Motorcycle Bluetooth speakers offer a versatile audio experience with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing for seamless music streaming from smartphones and MP3 devices. These speakers are designed with weatherproof and water-resistant housing, ensuring that your music plays rain or shine, although the amplifier should be kept in a shaded area. Featuring a built-in FM radio and clock display, these speakers provide additional entertainment and convenience for motorcycle, ATV, and UTV riders. The GoHawk system includes a 3.5mm audio jack, USB, and microSD support, offering multiple options for playing your favorite tunes. Installation is straightforward with included hardware, wiring, and an optional mini wired remote control, making it easy to set up on handlebars ranging from 7/8 to 1 1/4 inches. With a powerful 4-channel 180-watt full-range sound, these speakers deliver a robust audio performance that enhances any ride.